because we want to put more raw material into the column, we will apply extension, and to connect it we put silicone gasket. There is these little things to close the column with a sieve, so you have to put it up. So we do it once again. And we close the column in the same fashion. We put the sieve behind these two little things, press it a little bit and pull outside. And then we have, of course, to readjust our steel and the height. So as you can see, we put extension here. And we didn't use sieve here in this column, we just put the sieve in the bottom of the extension, so we fill up the whole column and extension with our raw material. Hello once again. So we set up our steel now with the extension column, which allows us to put more raw material inside the steel and get, of course, more essential oil. Today we are distilling mint, and during the distillation itself I researched a little bit and I found that the dry mint leaves has a much lower essential oil content than a semi-dry. So if you want to get essential oil out of mint, it's better to buy or to grow on your own your mint and dry it a little bit. So it will be like semi-dry, and put it in the